Lesson 10, Part 2, Investigating Fractions and Decimals. All right, we're going to look at the distributive property for division. So what does that mean? Well, this is what it looks like in A, B alphabetical form, so don't freak out. We'll put the numbers in soon. So I have A divided by C, so A and C are different numbers. B and C are different numbers, but these two are the same numbers. Okay, so plus B divided by C. Now this can be rewritten because everything is going to be divided by the same number, so I can rewrite it in this form, A plus B in brackets, making sure that you do this part first, and then divide the whole thing by C. Now let's prove that this works. All right, so I have 6, which is A, 2, which are C, I have 10, which is B. Okay, so you can see where the numbers all fit, and let's go. This is 16, because you do it inside the brackets first, then you divide by 2, which is 8. Okay, now I'm going to go back to this side. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Putting the plus sign there. 6 divided by 2 is 3. And then I'm going to add those together, and it's 8. Okay, so it proves that they're equal to each other. All right, so if I have this in A divided by C plus B divided by C, right, what would go on this side? Okay, so I want you to pause the video, figure out what's going to go in here. Okay, and then we're going to prove this. So pause the video. Okay, so welcome back. So C is obviously going to be 5 because it's dividing everything by 5. Then I have 15 plus 20. So I'm going to figure this side out first. So this is 35 divided by 5, which is equal to 7. Now I'm going to do the other side. So I do the division first. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, plus 15 divided by 5 is 3, and that is equal to 7. Okay, now I want you to have a look at this. How would I be able to, if I'm going to use the distributive property, how can I rewrite this into A divided by C plus B divided by C? Okay, how would I rewrite that? Okay, so hopefully I've got 12 as A, okay? This is going to work because both denominators are the same, right? So divided by C, which is 4, plus 20 divided by C, okay, which is 4. All right, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide, and that's 32 over 4, which is actually, if you just look, is 12 plus 20, right? So it's these two here. All right, now I have 20 divided by 4, which is equal to 5, plus 12 divided by 4, which is equal to 3, and then I'm just going to add those up, and it's 8. So 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, now I'm actually going to stop here and do something really quick. If I were to add these together, right? This over here is A plus B divided by C, right? The C is here, and A plus B is here. So when you have like denominators, or common denominators, you can rewrite it into this form over here, which is actually this fraction. Okay, now what I'm going to ask you is why does this not work? Why is 60 divided by 4 plus 60 divided by 6 not equal to 60 divided by 4 plus 6? Okay, I want you to show me why this doesn't work. So pause the video. I want you to figure this out. Okay, so welcome back. What's happening here? I'm going to erase this at the bottom, actually, so I have more room. Oh, I can't. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I have 60 divided by 4 and 60 divided by 6. So this is going to be equal to 10 plus 15. Okay, now it's not equal to this one, and I'm going to show you why. So I have 60 divided by 10. Okay, this is going to be equal to 25, and the other side is going to be equal to 6. Now, why doesn't this work? Well, if I'm going to write these as fractions, I have the like part is the numerator, and the part that's not the same is the denominators. Okay, so that never works. We don't do 60 over 4 plus 60 over 6 and then leave the 60 the same and add the denominators. That doesn't work. Okay, can you see how that doesn't work? All right, so if you're having any troubles with this at all, please come to the help session. Make sure you're doing the accompanying assignment.